Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Instagram is a business or creator account so you can access sharing options and analytics. Once done, decide whether the QR should open your profile, a specific post, a story highlight, or an external URL. That choice affects how you build the link. Next, open Instagram's name tag or a trusted QR generator app. Either works. You're doing this to ensure scan reliability and tracking, so make that decision now and proceed to create the actual link. You should copy the exact Instagram profile URL or the post permalink. Accuracy avoids broken scans. Then paste that URL into your QR generator and pick file type, PNG for simple use, SVG for crisp print. Also select high contrast so phone cameras read it quickly. Make sure to add UTM or tracking parameters if you want campaign metrics. This gives you insight into scans. Finally, generate and preview the QR with multiple devices to verify it resolves to the right Instagram destination. Now deploy the QR by placing it where your audience will scan, print, signage, or digital placements, and test immediately on both iOS and Android so you catch platform quirks. If the QR fails to resolve, try replacing the target with a short URL redirect to Instagram. That often circumvents app-specific blocking. Make sure the code is large enough and has strong contrast. If scanners struggle, increase size or simplify the design and re-export. One key tip: clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.